macam mana cikgu?
It's not really sebab awal tahun ni USD lemah, but what market is reading from what siapa tu? Kita punya uncle Jerome Powell, okay? He already indicated about accelerated tapering, and also indicated about the three interest rate that are going to happen in 2022. So bila market dah tahu this what he will do it, so market of course trying to go dengan dia sebab tu US dollar kuat. Okay, that's why EU, GU semua turun. But after a point, still benda tu market is seeing it is still too late. FMC is taking action sebab kalau tengok December ataupun even November punya data inflasi CPI, PCE, and also the job data that came out also not so good. So that's why suddenly we are seeing a bit of a weakness dekat US dollar in the last 2-3 weeks. Okay, so we are expecting a bit more continuation for another 1 week until NFP give another clue. Kalau NFP ni agak teruk, dan kelemahan US dollar akan sambung lagi sebulan. Sebab the next Federal Reserve ataupun NFP is early February. In between that, if I'm not mistaken, tak ada apa-apa orang kata press statement ataupun dari Jeremy Powell. Of course, on and off, he will make press releases on his own. Tak ada official FOMC punya meeting, if I'm not mistaken. So then US dollar need something sebab dia currency ni dia move ni, dia kena ada sesuatu, sama ada data ekonomi ataupun press speeches by Jerome Powell ataupun governors ataupun FOMC members, okay, ataupun some kind of a geopolitical issue ataupun stock market making some kind of a big move ataupun bond yield making move. So that will give clue untuk hedge fund ataupun market players to go in, not to say bet tapi dia kena ni sama macam kita, we are all going to the market in prediction US dollar akan kuat, jadi Euro USD akan turun ataupun GBP akan kuat, that's why GJ akan ke atas. So we are taking a position, okay, so sama macam hedge fund, they need to get some kind of a news untuk dia go into the market. Dia bukan senang-senang pergi sebab contohlah saya kerja dekat JP Morgan, okay, saya ada 10 juta. Saya tak boleh senang-senang I want to buy US dollar. Kalau bos saya tanya kenapa 10 juta saya nak buy US dollar, so at least saya boleh bagi tahu dekat bos saya, sebab NFP kuat, so employment semua okay, so that's why I'm long US dollar. Then bos saya approve. So then sebab tu dia boleh guna untuk convince dia punya client ataupun convince dia punya katakan board of directors apa semua tu, supaya 10 juta tu jadi 1 bilion ataupun 10 bilion untuk dia orang pumping duit. So you need some kind of a catalyst ataupun news untuk you. Dia bukan macam kita just tekan buy sell, okay, sebab kita trade dalam contoh $10, $100, $1,000. Hedge fund dia orang masuk, sekali masuk 10 juta, 1 juta, ada yang masuk 500 juta, ada yang masuk 1 bilion, 2 bilion, ada yang masuk maybe 30-40 bilion. Okay, so you can't just simply saya nak tekan buy, so saya buy. So saya nak tekan sell, dia kena ada, kenapa dia, sebab tu big hedge fund, dia orang masuk position in anticipation 6 months ataupun 1 year ataupun 2 years down the road. Yang katakan contoh US dollar akan kuat, ataupun contoh gold akan pergi to the moon, hit 2000 ataupun 2500. So that's why diorang cuba buy daripada sekarang, so at least dia ada $200-300 profit. Sama juga kalau diorang nak masuk crypto, contoh Bitcoin sekarang ni dekat 45, 47 ataupun 50,000, dia expect dia akan pergi 100,000. So that's why they are entering the market. So dia boleh ambil profit tu, okay. Macam kita, sebab kita tekan buy sell, okay, dia orang nak masuk, at least dia kena ada reason untuk masuk. So that's why kita sebagai trader pun kalau boleh lah, okay, kita nak masuk market pun at least kita ada reason kenapa kita buy, kenapa kita sell. Not necessarily from fundamental, but can be technical. Oh, saya buy sebab stochastic dah crossover, ataupun saya buy sebab MACD dah crossover ke atas, ataupun saya buy sebab BBMA dekat low BB, ataupun dia dah ada momentum, dia dah cross mid BB ke atas, ataupun dia ada orang kata apa tu, bullish divergence, bearish divergence. So at least kita ada reason, not necessarily from fundamental ataupun technical. It can be also sentiment. Okay, maknanya contoh Vladimir Putin tiba-tiba invade Ukraine, masuk dalam teritori orang, so kita tahu gold akan mencanak, so kita buy gold. Ataupun North Korea launch nuclear missile ataupun test ke Japan, so gold akan naik, so kita buy gold. So there are at least kita ada reason kenapa kita masuk market. So sama juga US dollar, bukan sebab dia awal tahun atau akhir tahun, okay, sebab dia orang mungkin, okay, hari tu keluar daripada market, so sampai NFP mungkin dia orang keluar daripada market, tapi bila NFP kuat, dia orang akan masuk balik. So that's why you see suddenly, contoh lah, kalau NFP kuat, gold akan menjunam. Ni contoh, okay.
Okey, baru saja saya nak tanya soalan jelah, berapa lama dia orang punya projection kan, sebab target dia kira at least 6 months to 1 year lah.
Typically will be 6 months to 1 year, but there will be a big fund which probably holding gold long from let's say 1600 atau 1500, because dia mungkin project 2500 atau 3000 is their level. Who knows? So
yeah,
but again, that's why we call it, we have a scalper, intraday, swing, and also position traders. So typically big fund they will go on a position trading.
No, because terfikir nak tanya soalan tu sebab tadi tengok prosedur dia pun agak mengambil masa lah. Dia perlu bagi reason, perlu tunggu approval semua kan. So berbanding trader kita actually, kalau lambat 1-2 minit pun dah lambat.
Kan, itulah macam kita trader kalau lambat masuk apa depo ataupun LD transfer lagi duit, kita dah bising. Tapi diorang ni nak masuk ataupun okay, it's not also every time dia nak masuk dia have to go approval, but it's like dia dah bagi contoh 10 juta, okay, you manage it, okay, to grow it, let's say from 10 million to 15 million. So that's one way of doing it. But the other way, which is normally people doing it, is actually you need to get, or you need to do a paper, okay, but typically will be done by research analysts. For example, okay, for example, I'm just taking KLCI. Okay, KLCI, let's say right now is about 1500 level. CIMB ataupun investment bank, they are looking at it, let's say lepas contohnya Ismail Sabri become a PM, ini contoh ya. Market will be looking good, so we are looking at KLCI reaching 1800 atau 1900 level. So this is within about 1 year, okay. And let's say for example Petronas, because the oil price is from $70 over, is projected to go to about $100 atau $120. So Petronas will make money within 1 to 3 years. So then they will try to buy call on Petronas. Ataupun for example, let's say Petronas Chemical, their pengerang, I think it's already in operation, but it's not fully in operation. And dia ada orang kata share dengan Saudi Aramco, is one of the biggest company ni. So and they have suddenly found a new partnership ataupun supplier that can really, then Petronas Chemical might be a buy call ataupun it can as orang kata new product ataupun dia ada derivative chemical ni can become like a macam perfume ke, atau can be used as some kind of a thing, and which can be a hit. So then they will do analysis. Then Petronas Chemical from let's say 6 ringgit something, target price is about 9 ringgit. So that's on saham. Okay, sama juga Apple contoh katakanlah $100 over contoh price, sebab katakan tiba-tiba iPhone 14 for example, dia ada new camera features ataupun dia ada new features, something like that. So market is projecting it go to let's say $300. Then and hence it becomes $3 trillion company atau $4 trillion company. So everybody will be long in Apple shares.
Okey, baik.
So,
Faham. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid.